It's finally time to update your shower. Your wish list is short and sweet. You want something comfortable for everyone in your family that configures to your unique space and is easy to install. Is that too much to ask? Not at all. Find exactly what you're looking for with the Elevate Shower and Bath Collection from American Standard. Built with a curved design, your shower or tub is made to maximize space and comfort for your most relaxing moments. The built-in storage makes it easy to keep all your shower essentials in order. And shaving ledges and towel bars are included for added convenience. Plus, the safe closed barn-style doors are designed to reduce slamming. And no-slip tub floors help you keep a firm footing. The Elevate collection comes in a variety of dimensions, from a 60-inch tub and shower all the way down to a 36-inch corner shower, so you can find the right fit for your room. Installing a tub or shower may seem intimidating, but the Elevate collection simplifies every step of the process, so you can go from buying to bathing in no time. Even if you're not an installation expert, it's easy to look like one. The Elevate collection is engineered to fit seamlessly, making it a DIYer's delight. It uses a Duracomb support base for structure and stability, so there's no need for mortar. The modular walls are easy to handle, transport, and install, and the wall design makes securing to studs a breeze. Each piece is engineered with smart alignment and connection features for expert results. And the premium structure material will ensure that your new shower lasts. The subway tile wall patterns mean there's no grout to maintain, so once it's set up, it's easy to keep clean. Up the look and comfort of your bathroom with the Elevate Shower and Bath Collection from American Standard.